Here's a Kmart Alaska ceiling fan with 5 blades. It's very interesting. The chains are just like are short because I put them on my seat on that Georgian right over there. It's running on low. Let me get on the bed. It has these 2 little lines for some reason. Has unusual shaped blades, and one of the light pole chains is very soft. There's the light. But the fan chain is very rough, and it goes low, medium, high. So here's low. Get some momentum going. This fan does not go very fast, but it blows a good amount of air. And that screeching noise, it's like that fan in the hallway is so loud. Just to take a look at it, you can only see the globe. Medium. Usually have it running on medium if anyone's ever in here. And it's like very, very quiet on low and medium, but on high it's just like very noisy. Which I don't get about it. And here's how I know. You'll see what I mean. I just stepped on something. This wobble like a tiny bit. Here's off. That's the Kmart Alaska ceiling fan.